negative 9, and then we'll put our two factors in between them. So what do we multiply to get 8? Let's see. 1 multiplied by 8 will give us 8. Minus 1 times minus 8 will give us 8. 2 times 4 will give us 8. Minus 2 times minus 4 will give us 8. Now, what two factors do we add to get negative 9? So now we use the same factors to determine negative 9. So 1 plus 8 is 9, minus 1 plus minus 8 is minus 9, 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 2 plus minus 4 is minus 6. Now from this side, which of them, when we multiply, gives us positive 8, and when we add, gives us negative 9? For this, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9. This is wrong. For this, negative 1 times negative 8 is positive 8. Negative 1 plus minus negative 8 is negative 9. This is correct. Let's try the others. 2 times 4 is 8. Correct. 2 plus 4 is 6. This is wrong. Minus 2 times minus 4 is 8. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is negative 6. This is wrong. So our two factors here are minus 1 and minus 8. At this point, we'll further simplify this expression. We'll bring our 8 here and negative 9. Then we'll divide these two factors by the coefficient of x squared. So we'll divide both sides by 2 by 2. So our new factors are minus 1 over 2. Minus 8 over 2 is minus 4 over 1. So now let me write our equation, which is 2a squared minus 9a plus 4 is equal to 0. And at this point, we try to expand our equation by separating the two factors in two different brackets. So listen carefully to what we are going to do here. Our denominator is 2 and our numerator is negative 1. So this is what I'm going to do here. So we'll have 2a. So pick out one of the a from this a square, and then our numerator is negative 1. So you bring our numerator here as negative 1. Next, our denominator is 1. So 1 here is going to be 1a, and our numerator is negative 4. So it's negative 4. Simple, right? So let's continue. Let's further simplify this. So this is 2a minus 1, a minus 4 equal to 0. So we can further separate these two factors by equating each of them equal to 0. A minus 1 equal to 0, or a minus 4 equal to 0. So 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. From your simple algebra, you simply add plus 1 to the right hand side and plus 1 to the left hand side, and we're left with 2a is equal to 1, because minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel out. So at this stage, we divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, 2 cancel 2, and we are left with A is equal to 1/2. Here we have A minus 4 is equal to 0. So we add plus 4 to both sides. We are left with A is equal to 4, since minus 4 and plus 4 will cancel out. Now remember, when we represented 2 raised to the power of x to be A, it implies that A is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Now we have 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 1/2, or 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4. Remember, from the law of indices, the inverse law, it states that x raised to the power of -1 is equal to 1/x. It implies that 2 raised to the power of -1 is equal to 1/2. Hence, we have 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of -1. When faced with an expression like this, you cancel out the base number, and we are left with x is equal to -1. At this side, remember that 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. This can be written as 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. When faced with an expression like this, you cancel out the base number, and we are left with x is equal to 2. Therefore, our final answer is x is equal to -1 or 2. Now let's take a look at the general solution of what we've done today. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.